Hi everyone, my name is Corey, and I'm not a Microsoft MVP. I'm not a computer programmer. I'm just a PowerApps user like a lot of you guys out there. I haven't taken any special courses or classes or anything. I did attend the a business summit down in Atlanta last year, but that's really the only formal training that I've received with PowerApps. And as such, I came up with the idea of making some PowerApps shorts to go through some of the little things that I use time and again that I tend not to remember because they have little nuances to them, or they were difficult for me to figure out when I first determined them. And I thought, well, it might be nice, since I have a few people in my organization who are just starting now in the PowerApps. They're starting to come across the same things that I came across. So how do I do a 12-hour clock? How do I have a blank value show up in one of my drop-down lookups? How do I make my navigation bar go away, the PowerApps navigation bar on top go away, because my users are clicking on it and logging out and screwing things up. Things like that. Just little quick and easy field things, not big, large, how to do repeating tables or other larger functionality to that. Those have been created. Those have been created by Shane Young, by Todd Basinski, by Daniel Christensen, by a whole lot of people out there. And to all of those folks, I certainly say thank you. Because I have watched the vast majority of all your videos, and some of the things that I have done, I believe, come from that. You show that things can be done there, but I just need that little 2 to 5 minute piece that illustrates just that part a lot. Now that I've kind of moved along, it goes back and gives me a nice little refresher. And for my folks that are coming up and starting to support some of the apps that I've made and done things, I think it'll also be helpful for them just to have and to learn. This is how I did it, this is why I did it. Now, whatever I show probably isn't the only way to do something. I found that there are more than one way to do a lot of stuff within PowerApps. This is just the way to work for me. If you have a different way, a way you think's better, please share. It'd be great to see other ways of how things are done. If you have any questions, you're more than welcome to post a comment to either Twitter or in YouTube. And even if you have some other fields or other little small functionality pieces that you'd like to see a little video on, because maybe it'll help you down the road, or you haven't figured it out yet, and maybe I do know how to do it, I'll go ahead and put those in there too. And if I can figure it out, I'll be more than happy to. I can't guarantee anything. I'll certainly try. And if I can, I'll put it out there. But again, I'm looking to make these 2 to 5 minutes. Nothing big and extravagant. There are folks out there that have done those, and they do them quite well. And I don't have the production capabilities to even come close to what they're doing. So hopefully these little things will help you along. And if you have any questions, again, please just let me know. This is just the intro video to kind of let you know what's going on. I have an idea for about 3 or 4 different ones. They'll be labeled PowerApps Shorts, Dash, whatever functionality I'm trying to do. I'm not trying to get overly creative within my names, but I am trying to make it so that if you do a search for it, you should be able to find it. These are intended just to be helpful. I hope you do find them that way. Questions, comments, anything at all, please just let me know. Thanks a lot, folks, and happy apping.